It is Sprinter Van time, baby! That's right, Carter from Forge 4x4. I am in our next sweepstakes rig, and this is all the before shot. These chairs are changing, the entire back is changing, that is getting out of here. This thing is gonna turn into an overland beast, but first things first, we gotta take it to Tommy Camper Vans to get this interior converted into a full motorhome. This is gonna be one of the largest builds that we've ever had in the history of Forge 4x4, and I'm super pumped to bring you this off-roading 4x4 diesel Sprinter van. Let's go. Sprinter van is here at Tommy Camper Vans. Love this place, super awesome dudes. They already got builds already going around. Let's do a little tour. Let's check this out.
Gonna come on back for a tour?
Let's do it.
All right. So we're gonna walk the whole production process. So it all kind of starts right here with windows. First stage in production is paint. This is our custom Tommy wet cement color.
Yeah, I do like that.
I have it in the shop that's Tommy blue gray right now. So after I get them back from paint, the boys are gonna hop in, basically gut everything we don't need out of it. After they gut it, they're gonna insulate and install a subfloor, cut and install the windows, and cut and install all the guts. So they got this floor in, they bondoed over all the screw holes and seams. We cut the windows, now they just start to install the windows. Once they get all that installed, they'll take it out by an extensive wood water test. Hey guys.
Looking good. The reason why I wanted to immediately go with you guys was that you have a different menu. It's like, oh yeah, I want this, this, and this, and then go over the call with you. Super straightforward, really informative.
And there's kind of like a secret menu in there too. Like as we're going through things, there's more capabilities we have that aren't listed on the website, just to keep things simple.
Yeah.
Paint, stage 1, windows and floors, stage 2. Stage 3 is rough electrical. Right? So this van already has all of its windows and floors in, and my electrician has already been and roughed everything out.
Nice.
So it really don't look like much through the first couple stages, but this is us laying the foundation.
Well, if you don't do it now, after you put everything else in.
Yeah. Yeah, so stage 4 is fabrication. Our fabrication facility is actually about a half mile from here in another building.
Oh wow, nice. And that's the rack?
That's the roof rack, ladders, any custom stuff we need to build, like they handle all that. So, man, everybody's kind of moving around.
You guys are hustling. All right, at this stage of the build, the boys were rocking out to some heavy metal, and the audio was not very good in order to keep our copyright. Let me just narrate what Nate is saying here. As you can see, all the interior is with some awesome heavy-duty plywood. It is super insulated and looks really awesome. All that electrical has already been laid throughout the entire van, so now that all they have to do is plug and play, put up some pine along the walls to make it look really pretty, and as you can tell, that is heavy duty, so thick. Let me just touch the wood a little bit more, rub that wood. Oh, doesn't that wood feel fantastic? Yes, yes it does. If you want more wood like this, it's gonna go all the way on the interior, and I'm gonna slap my hands a little bit and let you know that this is actually a big deal. Yeah. All right, well, I'm excited. Thanks for showing me around.
Hey, no sweat, we're
I can't wait.
To build a van for you.
Don't fuck it up.
Obviously.
Got that right. No, this is gonna be sweet. I don't know, what do you guys think? You excited for this? After the tour, Nate showed me a couple finished vans that look absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited, and without further ado, let's get into some heavy-duty build montage action. The next time you see this bad boy, it's gonna be completely different. Pumped. Let's go. that tour of Tommy Camper Vans. We are super excited to see how this thing turns out. If you want to see the finished build, hit that subscribe and bell icon. You will get notified every time we launch a new video on Artemis, our Sprinter van that is going to be decked out for off-roading and overlanding. I can't wait to show it to y'all. And in a couple short days, it's going to be live and you could actually win this rig. So if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and who knows, you could be our 9th winner and proud new owner of this Sprinter van plus $20,000.